I can't believe there's someone sitting on my plate.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cotsinera's Food and Life. We are here to explore one more 5-star restaurant of Mumbai and that is Avtara. Avtara मुंबई में Santa Cruz के जो तारा रोड पे situated है. Although difficult to get in here because of the traffic, this place has great vibe. Avtara दुनिया का पहला vegetarian Michelin star restaurant है जो खुला है मुंबई में. It is an exclusively curated vegetarian fine dining experience. The cost for one person for this 14-course meal is rupees 4,500. Interiors of this restaurant is a mix of white, blue and sea green colors, and in whole it is a 65-seater restaurant. Interiors of this restaurant is inspired by river Ganga, and so we can see various interpretations of waves and geometric patterns in sea green. There are two half-moon shaped sofa booths further enhancing the ambience. यहाँ सिर्फ 14 course vegetarian tasting menu है. This restaurant does not use onion, garlic, mushroom, paneer and is very much Jain friendly too. This 14-course meal starts with the signature dish and holy offering called Naivedya, which is a mix of makhan malai, bubbling mishri, and rose-flavored panchamrit. The second course that was served was called Alpahar, that means snacks.
Best way to have these courses: first have your okra, then your aloo vadi, and then conclude it with your soul curry to balance all the flavors together. Easy.
This consisted of okra chili thecha, aloo vadi, and soul kadhi. Well, these Maharashtrian side dishes literally acts as a taste blend between bitter, sour, pungent, salty, and sweet, making it holistic and balanced snack. You can also try on some amazing drinks menu that they have, and the one that we ordered was a South Indian cold sambar drink. Third course meal consisted of jaro, that is roots, and since hum roots nahi consume karte the, we were served with banana wafers with tempered chana mash and pomegranate chutney. Well, this dish did not meet our expectation, but the pomegranate chutney was definitely to try on.
How is it?
Pomegranate chutney is amazing. Best chutney ever had.
Being a corn lover, the next one was absolutely my favorite. By the way, क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि हम घेवर as a चाट भी खा सकते हैं? Yes, this fourth meal called shikalu, that is corn, truly surprised us.
Now, giver is used popularly as a dessert. So here we have made a sweet, here we have savory out of it, a chaat. In center we have corn tikki with some peanut chutney and some North Eastern leaf on top. Along with that, we are serving you broth.
While on the table, I prayed कि ये fifth course आए ही ना, because ये dish होने वाली थी करेले की. But presentation of this dish made me try करेला for the first time, and I could not believe on myself कि मैंने करेला खाया. This dish consisted of ghee roasted karela along with mango sambar gelato and a dosa crisp.
Your next course is called Karuve Vilas, which means Karela. So here, Karela is not a favorite vegetable of ours.
Yeah.
It's bitter in nature. So we have made Karela using a special preparation called ghee roast masala, which is very famous in Karnataka Udupi. On top, we have a sambar ice cream. In the center, some curry leaf oil. And the red and the white crisp is made from dosa batter. We have the Karela, which is hot, sambar, which is cold, which gives a fire nice effect to it. Please enjoy.
Is it kadwa?
The next sixth course meal was Sandhita, that is pickle. This consisted of achari, broccoli, carrot, and caramelized walnuts. Well, the dish did not woo us as much as its cutlery did. The next seventh dish was grinjana or turnip. This dish consisted of rajma gogji, amaranth katlam, and apple chutney.
Which is made with turnip and rajma curry on the side. The flower shape you see on top is turnip pickle. So best way to have this process, you cut it straight in the center, mix it well with the curry while it's hot and enjoy. इतना अच्छा बनाते काटने का ही मन नहीं करता.
आपने मोमोज के बहुत वेरिएशंस खाए रहेंगे, लेकिन जैकफ्रूट मोमो खाया है? Yes, the next dish is all about jackfruit or panasa.
Famous delicacies from Northeast. One being the dumpling. It's a steamed dumpling. It is stuffed with good jackfruit. Below the dumpling there's edamame. So originally the thukpa is a soupy vegetable noodle. But here we've made the thukpa with sivaktan berries. So it's one kind of a wild berry which will be sour in nature. So just to balance the sour, we've added lemongrass. And here we've replaced the noodles with a black rice dish. So I would recommend you first finish your dumpling. Once your dumpling is done, you finish your black rice dish with the thukpa.
This ninth dish seemed to be very beautiful and passionate. This dish was called Krishnafal or passion fruit, which also depicted characters from Mahabharata. ये पानी पूरी का बहुत ही innovative fruity fusion था that had passion fruit, spice guava, water and strawberry chutney.
So over here we are serving you a chaat on a crispy puri. We are putting a mixed fruit chaat. You have bonbon filled with spicy guava water and a cloud is made from passion fruit. Just the way you have your pani.
पानी पूरी की पूरी के अंदर ये सब डाला हुआ है.
The 10th dish was called Shubhanjana or drumstick. This dish consisted of drumstick chokha, sattu kachori and mustard curry. This dish resembled litti chokha and it actually took litti chokha on the next level. The 11th dish was vrihi or rice that consisted of tamda bhat, parsnip rasa and black lime pickle.
Bihi means rice in Sanskrit. So this course has been inspired from a state, Kolhapur. That is Tamda Rasa and Pandra Rasa. So where Tamda means red and Pandra means white. But here we have made it in our version. That is Tamda rice and Pandra Rasa. So whenever we eat dal rice, we have some salad, papad and some pickle with it. So here we have got that elements also. So here we have some parsnip pickle. The papad has been replaced by crispy spinach leaf and on the top is the pomelo salad. So the best way to have it is cut it into 2-3 parts, mix it with the gravy and then you enjoy it. It is like a small Kolhapur thali, you could say. Enjoy it.
Now, after a nice main course, now was the time for dessert. And I was absolutely amazed with our first dessert presentation. इस dessert का नाम है क्षीरा, खीर और also called as pudding. ये कोकोनट खीर, अपम एंड आमरस का बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एंड डिलिशियस ब्लेंड है.
I can't believe there's someone sitting on my plate. This is my plate. And that is my dessert. The flavors are just bursting in my mouth. I have no words to describe this dish. So let me concentrate.
It's very wild and tangy and sour, which goes well with your next dessert called bal mithai.
अब बारी है हमारे 13th कोर्स मील की एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो अ डेजर्ट। नो ये वाइन नहीं है, ये बुरांश रस है जो उत्तराखंड के फ्लावर्स से निकाला जाता है। Yes, this is Uttarakhand's most famous mithai called Bal Mithai, and they have named this mithai as Madhuram.
This is Bal Mithai. Over here you can see a name Kalli Singh Katai. That's a pastry chef who belongs to Kumaon, Uttarakhand. So this Bal Mithai is also originated from the same place, where originally it is very dense, chewy and thick. So chef has made it a lighter version of it and filled it inside a chocolate rosette. So it still has a sweetness. So
And now is the time for our last and the 14th course meal, and that was parna, betel leaf और पान। ये डिश जितनी खूबसूरत है उससे भी कहीं ज़्यादा टेस्टी और डिलिशियस थी। Being a मुखवास lover, I had to ask for one more portion of this. इस डिश के प्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में आपको क्या ही बताऊं। I just had no words to describe this amazing dish.
For extra. So here we have got this last course. So it is a edible shell chocolate inside there. There is a bitter leaf extra. That is a pan flavoring. It's like a first course. Hold it gently and have it in one go. Cheers.
thank you so much.
इस रेस्टोरेंट को हम देंगे 3.5 out of 5 stars because of its location and cost. Although this place gives a very good dining experience, फिर भी ये थोड़ी सी over expensive है. Well, we had a great time here, and if you are planning to visit this place or have already visited this place, please do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video. Till then, bon appetit and bon voyage!